Hey everyone, just thought I'd just go for a quick ride around the neighborhood. Just felt like getting out, working from home all week, so busy. Don't even get a chance to go for a ride during the week. So I thought this would be a good time to share the LED light. The only thing about riding around the neighborhood, there's so many speed bumps. I used to do this loop when I was first received my permit, which got me going through the gears. But again, it's not dark, pretty well lit, but you can get an idea of this LED light. I can put the link to where I got it. It was off Amazon. Hope it's not too windy. I guess because I'm going slow and not enough air. I'm steaming up the visor here. This is our man-made lake here. You can just tell because of the lights reflecting off the water. Other than that, I think it would be tough to tell that there's water there on the camera. Ooh, it's a little chilly. Probably just go around one time. Got a total of I think it's 3 lakes for sure. 2. Yeah, there's another one way out there. They're all man-made. They're nice. It's nice to go out here and go for a walk. I like the way it lights up at night. It's an amberish color. The other lake, we'll kind of go by it. You can actually cut into one of these streets. I think we're like that truck just turned up ahead is where you will see. You can go right by the lake. We'll actually go kind of by it. We're on this right curve. I would go down one of these neighborhoods and get a closer look, but it's getting cold. I used to like this curve when I was first driving out here, learning. It was a fun curve. As soon as I passed the speed bump, when I'd go the other way, I knew there would be some time with no speed bump on that curve, which was cool. Alright, here's a lake on this side. Try to show you. Gotta make sure there's no speed bumps. It's kind of hard to tell. You can see the lights reflecting maybe. I almost didn't put on my jacket. I was like, oh, I'll just put on a sweatshirt or something, just going around here, going very slow. We're all adults. We can make our own decisions and take the risks. When we don't wear all the gear, for some reason we always feel safer when we're closer to home, and that's when most of the accidents happen, right? That's what we've heard. I know I've heard that. I'm glad I did, or else it'd be really cold. You see, you can barely see. I don't know if you can see it with the camera. Those reflectors there, they don't really reflect too much. Sometimes people just hit those speed bumps if they don't know they're there. Well, I'll go around this way. It's cold, but it's a longer way, but why not? After this, I'm putting it away. Back in the garage till tomorrow. It's Friday. Looking forward to going for a good ride tomorrow. So it's just a fun little ride for me, just to get out. Those of you that have a Vulcan 900, thinking about getting an LED light. My other one, when I first installed it, it was a big difference. See how the car's coming at me, kind of yellowish lights. When I took it out, the first one, I was like, big difference. And a second time going out at night, I just felt like checking it out. Well, thanks for coming along, and we'll look forward to sharing more. You guys have a good night. Bye.